Ahmed, and today we're making crispy cakes with my brother called Fahil.
These are the ingredients: 100 grams of chocolate, some cornflakes and 2 spoons of butter.
We made these shiny cups out of tin foil, and we had a cup. We spin the cup around, and then to make it better we just got it in.
This is the pot where we're going to melt the chocolate and put it on the cooker and then mix it with the butter and cornflakes. After melting the chocolate, Emma, can you put the cornflakes in?
Okay.
And then mix.
And all the cornflakes need to have chocolate on. Should I stay now?
After this has been mixed properly, we are going to put it inside the cups.
So the chocolate, so it's been melted and everything. Now we're going to put it in the cups. The cups need to be filled. So now my brother is doing the rest. And did you know like how many cups we made? These are 6 cups.
We're both hold. Now we have put the mixture in and we are done.
Bye everybody, and if you want to make crispy cakes, just follow our steps.
Bye.